In this video, I am going to show you how we can disable location services in Windows 11 permanently. So by default, when you configure your Windows or you install Windows, then Microsoft prompt you to tweak some privacy settings that is turn on advertising or turn off location services. But anyone can turn on the location services just by typing here the location. Like I have searched for location and anyone can turn it on or off. So it is not a good thing to reveal our location. So to turn it off permanently, we will use the group policy. So go to the gpid.msc and go to computer configuration and go to administrative templates and then go to window components. And here you will see the location and sensors group policy folder. So here is the setting, turn off location. So click on enable and click on it. So now no one will be able to turn on the location, as we will see. So here you can see this option is grayed out now. So nobody can enable or disable the location services. And also Microsoft has given us option notify when apps request location. So it is turned on by default. So also if you have some location on, then you can clear your history and you can also set the default location if you want. So in this way, you can turn off the location services in Windows 11 permanently. Thanks for watching.